What up, y'all, and welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to Arkansas. But first, last episode I had Texas barbecue here at Bodacious Barbecue in Sulphur Springs. It was what you would expect: smoky, tender, juicy, absolutely delicious. Got a tour of the smoker. These guys know what they're doing and they make iconic, great Texas barbecue. But with that being said, where does it rank? Because we've had some good food and, you know, Texas barbecue, it is one of the most, if not the most iconic thing in America for good reason. And this absolutely lived up to the hype. So I want to give Kansas City barbecue some respect. That sauce was out of this world. But at the end of the day, Texas barbecue lived up to the hype. For now, it is going to go number one on our list. We have a new leader on the leaderboard, at least for now, and we'll see how long Texas barbecue can hold this spot. So with that being said, we're gonna head to Arkansas now. We can get to where we're going to eat in Arkansas without having to charge, but I'm gonna stop to charge because one, I cannot fit any more food in me right now, and two, let them out for a little bit, walk around, use the bathroom. So we got about an hour, 18 minutes till we get to a city called Nash, Texas, right on the border to go charge. So let's hit the road and do that. There's actually two non-Teslas charging, three non-Teslas charging here. That's pretty cool. Let's go plug in. We're in Nash, Texas, and there's a big truck stop behind me. I'm gonna go check out. Gotta use the restroom, let the boys out. You know the drill. Also a live look at the fast to casual switch. Had to put the shoes on for the Texas barbecue, but now we're chilling. A little side angle action for this one, huh? Didn't get myself much room. Stay, boys. Oh, I gotta get your leashes. Hang on. Box out Brody time, box out Brody time, box out Brody time. You gotta be patient, my man. All right, boys. We're not in Arkansas quite yet. We almost are. It's very muggy and windy still. But that song is stuck in my head. You know, like Alabama, Arkansas, something, something. That song, because we're going to Arkansas, it's stuck in my head. Brody's got the bathroom down. He goes whenever he wants to now. Raider, he's getting better. He's getting better, but Brody still can't eat. This morning, I've been doing turkey with this food, but he's getting good at picking the turkey out and eating no food. So now I've been doing some sweet potatoes. They love those treats, so I like chop them up. And now every morning, my hand smells like turkey and sweet potatoes. And yeah, that's what we're dealing with. See, I told you guys, that's a poop though, big poopa. I call him Big Poopa because compared to him, they're the same size, but I'm not gonna keep recording and pooping. But I call him Big Poopa because Brody's poops are like twice as big as Raider's. It's crazy. Brody boy could not wait to get back in the car. Say, it's too muggy and warm for me, Papa. But Raider's thirsty. I knew he'd be thirsty though. Look at that, look at Papa taking care of you. As windy and muggy as it is, and it is windy and muggy, it's nice to walk around because that Texas barbecue is still sitting in there. Got a case of water and some protein drinks for me. There you go. Couldn't record much, so I was carrying this the whole time, but the frickin' hand dryer in the men's restroom, the decibel level was off the charts. That thing was deafening. Anyways, our next stop in 15 minutes is gonna be in Arkansas at our place to eat, and I'm not hungry. I still got that Texas barbecue in me, but luckily this shouldn't be too big of a meal, but I'm excited for it. See you guys soon. Hello, and welcome to the new State on the Board segment where we are in Texarkana. Can you guess which two states are bordering this line I'm on right now? And to not break the rules, I have to take Arkansas off and step over here because now I am fully in the state of Arkansas, which means Arkansas is now on our board. This is getting pretty full. Like land-wise, we're doing great. but we still have quite a few days left. So yeah, Texas, Arkansas, pretty cool. They even have a little selfie stand to put your phone on. I still use my little magnetic mount, but that's what I'm using, by the way, if you guys were curious, which is pretty handy. But if you don't have that, you got a selfie stand, which is pretty cool. Anyways, as I travel more and more south, it is getting more and more humid by the freaking minute. I'm out here for like 5 minutes. I'm drenched in sweat. Time to get back in the car. This is crazy, y'all. And it says it's 89 degrees outside. I would rather be in 110 degrees dry heat in Vegas than 90 degrees in Arkansas with this humidity. I am drenched in sweat. But let's go get some food in Arkansas. Can't tell you yet, but in a second. Hello and welcome again. It was like a 30-second car ride. I'm still sweating, it's still humid, it's still windy. Have I complained enough yet? If I haven't, just know it's humid and windy out. But we are at Hopkins Ice House right behind me to try Arkansas's most iconic food, which is a unique one. It is fried pickles. When I was looking for something local that had pretty good fried pickles, Hopkins Ice House kept popping up, so we're giving them a chance. A lot of people trace fried pickles back to Arkansas, and this feels like the right place to do it. I'm not a big pickle guy, but anything fried always tastes better, so we'll give it a fair shot and go try it. As much as I've complained about the weather, I put an order in for takeout because we got a long drive ahead of us, so let's go pick them up and enjoy them in the car with the boys. If you ever find yourself in our Texarkana, sorry, I'm pronouncing it wrong. Hopkins Ice House is the place to be. It was freaking popping in there. That's where everyone's at. Anyways, we're not here for a good time. We're here for business. And in front of me, I got fried pickles and ranch. Big fan of ranch. Put the ranch on the side. They're kind of shaped like onion rings. I like onion rings. Hope the shape and the texture doesn't deceive me because onion rings are a different taste than pickle for sure. Pickles are pretty controversial. I know people who just like snack on pickles straight up and love them. I'm not one of those people, but if you are, I apologize because that is not me and I wouldn't do that. I like pickles, I just don't like love them. This doesn't really have potential to mess up the white shirt, but the way I'm doing it definitely does. It's also super windy out here, so I apologize. Raider trying to sneak in that ranch. Arkansas, fried pickles, soaking it in ranch. Oh, cheers. Cheers. Anything fried tastes better. Not a lot of pickle. Not a lot of, ooh, it takes a few seconds. Pickle comes. Dude, better than I thought again. I was expecting like super strong pickle. It's not that strong. It's not like really pickly. Like it doesn't make me go like, after I eat it, you know? Don't screenshot that face I just made. Shout out what's inside. Sun's coming out too. Man, sitting in the trunk of my car with my boys, sweating my you-know-what off, eating fried pickles in Arkansas. What a life, man. These are good. And I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but I wish there was less breading and more pickle. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Breading's good though. All right, last one, I'm gonna wrap up here. But this fried pickles feels very Arkansas. It feels Arkansas. I get it. It fits. Arkansas, good deal. I'm gonna try to save these. I'll throw them in the fridge. We'll see how well they travel tonight. No expectations for that, but could be a good snack later. Hello and welcome back to the vehicle wrap-up segment. Those fried pickles have a very pickly aftertaste. My mouth tastes like pickles. Don't know how I feel about that, but you know what? Better than expected, which seems to be a theme on this trip so far, which I'll take it. Hopkins Ice House seems like the place to be to grab a burger, grab a drink, watch some sports with some friends. Don't know how many people are ordering takeout fried pickles and socks and sandals, but here I am and it was good, you know? Better than expected. But we have a good list of foods and where do fried pickles from Arkansas rank? Well, you have to find out tomorrow, so stay tuned for then. But for now, as always, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.